Welcome to this fabulous premiere. We hope you have a wonderful time tonight. I saw the movie last night. If you love Tybee, I think you're going to love this movie. If you don't know the plot line, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a hint. It's a story that will have you falling madly in love with this stunning beauty. And of course, I'm referring to the star of the film, Tybee Island, with a supporting role of Miley Cyrus and Greg Kinnear, and they do a good job too.
Hello, I'm Shelley Ainsworth. I'm a volunteer in the board of directors of the Tybee Island Marine Science Center, who will be the recipients of some of the funding raised tonight for this flip-flop last song premiere party that celebrates the movie, the last song that was filmed here last summer.
And why is it important for people to be thinking about the turtle issues right now, especially since I know that was the connection to the movie?
Right. But it's important to be thinking about conservation, about the whole coastal, environment, especially turtles, because they are endangered. Their habitat is shrinking. It's harder and harder for them to come ashore to lay eggs. And because that was one of the focuses of the movie, we certainly want to use that to emphasize, to educate people about the need for turtle conservation here on the Georgia coast.
And tell us about how kind of the character of this party fits into Tybee's atmosphere.
Oh my gosh, Tybee loves party, and because Disney didn't do its own premiere here, we didn't want to let the opportunity to go by. So we thought, what a great opportunity to have a party, flip-flop Tybee style, as our red carpet premiere, and to highlight the movie. Many of our neighbors here were extras in the movie, and certainly all last summer our lives were impacted, seeing the stars around and having areas blocked off for the movie. So this is our response and celebration of, yay, we're glad to have our island highlighted the way it is, to have a lot of attention brought to the area, and of course attention to coastal ecology, conservation of the turtles, etc.